Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to copy all open tab URLs in Google Chrome at once. This is useful when you want to save multiple website links, share them with others, or organize your research quickly. So let's get started. Firstly, open Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store. Now search for an extension, copy all URLs. Then click on add to Chrome, then add extension. Once the extension is installed, mark it as pin. Now open all websites where you want to copy the URLs. Now simply click on the once all the websites will be load, just simply click on the extension and click on copy URL of all tabs. Now open a place like notes, word, notepad where you want to paste the all URLs. Press Control V. Here you will see the first one is folder marker, the second is google.com, the third is Chrome Web Store, the fourth is Google search, the next is ChatGPT, next is Crazy Tech Tricks, then youtube.com, then new tab. You can just simply click all the URLs and send it to anyone. And that's it. Now you know how to copy all URLs from your Chrome tabs in just a few steps. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.